guys! Okay, so I'm Jessica's friend.
This is Sammy. We just got a large package and we're assuming it's from YESSTYLE because
per usual. She orders like 10 orders like per month.
Okay, so we're gonna unbox it right now. Oh my god.
This shit is big. Oh, okay.
Okay guys, so since Sammy is gone, I decided to just start the unboxing haul. So the first thing I got is a vest. But yeah, the materials are actually quite good and I plan on wearing this with like for like a schoolgirl kind of look. I love preppy look, so I think this will go pretty well. The second item I got, this feels like felt. What the heck?
Okay, I can literally make this for you.
No, Sammy. So it looks like this. It's actually a felt dress, and then you're supposed to wear like a white button-up, obviously inside, and then on the side there's like a tie. I think you're supposed to wear a skirt underneath this.
Yeah, probably.
It looks like an apron.
Yeah. How much did you pay for this?
I don't remember. Next. Oh, this item, it's actually a necktie, and I ordered it just so that I could wear it to a Halloween party. But it did not.
A bit late, you know?
Yeah,
tiny bit late.
Yeah, it did not arrive on time. Alright, so next up, Sammy's gonna share what she got.
Guys!
You have to do the YouTube thing.
Wait, how do you do that?
Okay. Get closer to the camera. Let it focus.
Oh my god! Okay, so I've wanted hoops for like the longest time. But like, they're so overpriced, you know? Like at Target, it's like $10.
Yeah.
I'm like, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? It's like not cool at all. But YESSTYLE has it for like $2 and I bought it. And I was gonna wear it for charity ball. Which is tomorrow. And it came today.
Next up, I got this plaid skirt, which was also for Halloween. Did not arrive in time. It seems extremely short, but they have shorts underneath it, so like you're not flashing anyone.
Doesn't you want to?
Doesn't.
But
okay. Next up.
Material's not bad. It's pretty thick.
Pretty good.
They're not gonna be cold.
Yeah. This has a mock neck. It's rib detailed. Goes down all the way to the bottom. Maybe if I can wear with a belt, like if I wear with a belt, it could work.
Yeah.
We'll see. Maybe with over the knee boots as well.
Yeah.
Next up. Oh my god. Why do they bend belts like this? Why?
What is this?
It's actually a dress. It's just a button-up dress. Next up, I got some beauty items. There's two. One is from Innisfree and it's the eyebrow pencil because I need some eyebrow products. I literally when I take pictures, like half of my eyebrows are not there.
I can do it for you.
I'm okay. Next up is what is this?
Oil mascara fixer.
Etude House My Lash Serum. It's clear. It actually does look like vegetable oil.
Maybe I can use that as a substitute.
Next up, I got this gold necklace. It's pretty actually. Super sparkly. It's cheap.
Yeah, it's something you would get off of like the street markets in Korea.
Yeah. For like $5. Yeah. But yeah, that concludes my haul. I hope you guys liked it. This was so random. We randomly got a package just now.
Yeah.
We're like, oh, let's just film.
And I happen to be in the room 24/7, so.
Yeah, okay. So we hope you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one.
Bye! Wow.